Kejing peluk konsan jongka kudan menika jaka dukan jongka magic cook kebadan hapok nang bak shelong menika miet kelaban ketak ya kejing shalan dan kejing di ki ata ki keu bat kwi di kejak jing bam sekeleng-keleng ki jaka jongka ri khasi bajen tia bat kemjuru jongka jelahi barokowai habekan ba Trai jongka nika dukan usan jib bajoria Ïathuh bagan nika dukan ke jong kelasang bantu akapor kembakha astengi ai tambah tekapor umdon yeh ne udon sabar bat dei kinok Trai ke bla phone bila pentip sepanggan di kejing peluk nak Kylleng jongki kali pelip ding kelawan kerki sekatai ke dukan matem ya kejing kelang juga ding kabla jor Haduh kata-kata usan jib bajoria Ïathuh pakan di kedukan kejing uga ju shalan bat supply ki ata ki keu bat kui dejak jing bam sekeleng-keleng ki jaga jong ke celah bat habala kali jepang kejing du dan kejing julon akan kejing peluk juga ding nak Kylleng jong Trai juga kedukan Ïathuh ba umpan laban ong Haduh kan no kelakta Haduh kalut kan dikajung peluk ya kan dikadukan kajung nama kena sibun ba kimbar bam ke belabu hakan dikadukan jung
At 12:20 night, I was in Barnia. When I came, I reached here 2 o'clock. The fire got completely tanked. I'm not aware because I was not present here. By 2 o'clock, all the godowns were gone, and fire tenders were standing here, and they were trying to control the fire. As you see now, also the fire tender is there. Was any small fire is there? Because I was not here. I'm not knowing what is happened in that. What is the cause? Or what? I've given the statement to the police to do the same thing, but I was not here. And some people there, a lot of people there seeing a lot of things. I cannot say what is the cause. I got call at 12:20. I started from Barnia at 12:30. I reached at 2 o'clock. I was not there. My people were there. They rushed it out, and they could not see anything. But nobody was there. All the people just themselves and came out. That's all.
So no one got hurt.
No, nobody
got stuck inside.
Not even a single injury. By grace of God, not even a single injury. Not even a single injury. We have to assess. They are not allowing me to go inside. These fire brigade people. When I go inside, then only I can see. When they are saying don't allow you beer. I don't know how much damage is there. We have to, when we go inside, I think by tomorrow, when they allow me to go, then only I can see what is the damage. Was there that I can see what is happening to the machinery also. I don't know what is happening to the shop also. Maybe how much damage is there. That if I go inside, then I'll come to know. By Monday, if you can take me to the interview, I can see, but not now.
How about the response of the fire and emergency
It
system?
took them, but all the district administration was very much there. Even DC, fire SP, magistrates, then this Air Force also, they sent the fire tender. The army people also came. So they have responded quite well.
How many years?
We are in this place from 1922. 1922.
Yeah.
From my grandfather's time.
In that time, we
The whole of Kylleng, Jingkheiñ, Riboy, Khasi, West Khasi, Riboy, Jingkheiñ.
in
Very bad state. I don't sleep from whole night.
okay. How many levels do you have? Yeah.
You see, we are having total staff, everything. Maybe total around 20-25. Stay here. I was in Barnia yesterday. I came from Barnia.
This is just echo down
Go down and factory.
the factory.
And then your